Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use F6 by waves. Let's listen to what we have. First, let's try this on the kick in stereo mode. So I will go to band number 1 and increase this by 2.5 dB. I will adjust my threshold. I will also reduce my attack, and on band number 3 I will adjust the range to -2 and again set up my threshold. We'll adjust our attack and we are ready to listen to it. Before, after. The other way I am going to demonstrate this is in mid-side mode. I'm gonna go to band 6, we'll set it to wide, we'll reduce my range at -2, reduce my attack, I will set our threshold to -5, we'll go to band 3, we'll set it to -3, and we'll put our threshold at -12. We'll go to the sides, we'll set our range to +2, we'll set our threshold to -13, and we are ready to listen to it. Before, after. Try it and let me know what you think.